Okay, welcome everyone. So on this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a VTU website. Okay, so if you want to know how to create a VTU website, just comment in the comment box below. So what is a VTU website? It's a website where you can sell data, sell airtime, sell cable subscriptions and the rest. So and again, this website can also make people to register as a subscriber and also buy from you. So let me show you the website. This is my website. So without you having the knowledge of coding, of how to design, you can learn this and build this by yourself. So look, this is the website. All right, so you'll be able to design this also. All you have to just do is to get the script from me, and I'll teach you everything on how to create a VTU website. Simple and easy. So this is the desktop view. Let me show you the mobile view. So this is how it is on mobile. And the important thing is that you don't need a laptop to do this. You can do this with your phone. Like I said, you don't need the knowledge of coding. I'll just give the script and I'll tell you how to go about it, how to customize it to your own. So let me change this to desktop mode back. Alright, so now another thing is that you can sell data, sell airtime, sell utilities to for people. And also people can also register. As you can see here, they can register here. So after registering, they can log in to buy, and I will show you how that is possible. So now this is my website, and let me log in now. Let me log in. So I want to log in. So I've logged in already. So this is my own account on my website. So it's the same thing someone will also do if someone wants to register in your platform. So if you want to know the amount, just click on this icon here. So this is the amount I have as a subscriber on my website. So you can be earning money even while you're sleeping. So one advantage of this is that even if you're not online to respond to customers, they can easily go to your website and buy airtime, buy data, as you can see here. Airtime, electricity, recharge card. You can add fund here. Then this data, exam pins. You can buy your wire scratch card, Neko scratch card, nap tape, and the rest. So download mobile app. So you can see cable TV, contact, and the rest. So with a VTU website, you can just be at home, sleeping, and money will be entering instead of you having to be online 247. So let's test this now. If I want to buy airtime, so I'll click on airtime. I'll click on airtime. So it says select network, right? So select network. Let's assume MTN. So select type VTU. So how much do you want to buy? So let's say 100. So as you can see, you are getting it for 99 naira. So mobile number, let's say 0903442. So any number you put now. So as you can see, amount to pay is 99 naira. So that means there's a discount. So on my website, you can buy it cheap. Do you understand? Because you are buying from a supplier cheap. So people are buying from you cheap. So this airtime, let me show you data. So for data, what they will do is they will log in also and click on data. As you can see here, click on data. So data. So select network. Let's say MTN. select type. Okay, let's say SME data. So what plan do you want to select? So let's assume 1 gig. So as you can see, 1 gig is 300 naira. That's on my platform. But you can set any amount of any price you want to any price you want. So for example, you are buying it from the supplier at a cheaper price. Do you understand? So that's how your profits will increase. So let's assume you are buying at 250 and you are selling at 300 naira. So your profit there is 50 naira. Do you understand? So amount to pay. So when you click on buy data, or when I click on buy data, it will go if I have enough money in my wallet. So before any customer will buy data from you, they have to fund their wallets. So let me show you. Let me put this on mobile view. So before anybody will buy from you, they'll have to fund their wallet. And if they want to fund, they'll go to this place, fund. So there will be account number. So as you can see, this automated account number that they will send money to. And once they send it, the money will go to their wallet. And from there they can buy anything they want to buy. All right. So that's that. So another thing is you can buy airtime. You can buy exam pins. So let's see exam pins. So is it WAEC? Is it NECO? Is it NAPTEP? So let's see, select exam type. I want to buy WAEC now. So quantity. Let's say 1. Right. So you can see right here is showing 37. So I'm selling into my website for 37, but I'm buying it from the supplier at a cheaper price. Do you understand? So you can even sell your own for 4,000. It depends on you. Do you understand? So if you click on purchase pin, it will go. So long as you have enough money in your wallet. So this is an easy way to make money at the comfort of your home. Look at my fund balance. Click on that icon here so you can see. So this is a subscriber account. I logged in as a subscriber. So if you have this website also, people will register on your platform and they'll be buying data, airtime, cable subscription. Let me show you cable. Okay, look at cable subscription here. Click on cable. Click on cable. Then what you have to do is to wait while it's loading. So for example, now let's assume I want DSTV. I'll click on select provider. Select provider. Let's say DSTV. So select plan. Click on select plan. So which one do you want? Let's assume I want DSTV Paddy. So you get it on my website for 37. So you get it for 37. So amount. Okay, the plan is 37, right? But on my website, they'll get it for 4,000 naira. They'll get it for 4,000 naira. So click on select type. Let's assume, okay, maybe you want to change the plan or renew. You click on it. So you put your phone number, then your IUC number. Do you understand? So when you click on continue and you have money, if you have 4,000 in your wallet, it will go through. So these are just one of the ways to make money, cool money as a business person or as a busy person. You can have a website whereby people will just be buying this thing from you. So so let me show you the beginning again. My website. Now this is a subscribers page. So how my website look originally. So I will teach you how to get a domain, how to get a free hosting. Domain is just the name of your website. For example, now this is my domain. Let me show you my domain. So when I search for this is my domain. Okay, so when I search for it, When I click on search, you will see it. So this is my website. So you can also have this type of website if you wish. All you have to do is just comment below, comment your phone number, WhatsApp number, and I'll message you. And I'll also drop how you can contact me. Okay, so at a very cheap price, you'll get these scripts. I'll give you the scripts, and I'll show you how to edit everything into your own. You edit everything here to your own. Okay, so this is just one of the ways. This is one of the ways to make money, and you don't have to have a shop. You don't need to have a physical shop. You can just be at home, and people will be buying data from you, buying airtime, buying all sort of utilities from you. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, just comment. And so if people want to register, they just click on register. You can see register here. So they'll register, full name, this. When they continue, you will receive an email that someone has registered on your platform. So I believe you like to have a website like this, and this kind of website is good for those that are already selling utilities. For example, you don't have a website, or for those that have for those that have they're already selling website selling data already, or airtime, or utilities already. Then even those that have not started selling at all and you wish to start selling, I will teach you how to go about everything, and at a cheap price. So you don't need to think too much. You don't even need knowledge of coding at all. You don't need to know how to design a website at all. Okay? You don't need a laptop. You can do all this with your phone. All I need to do is just to give you the script. I will give you, and I will teach you how you can do this within 2 hours or 1 hour, depending on how fast you are, or depending on how attentive you are. You can be able to do this thing in at least 2 hours. Okay, so if you know you want this website, just comment in the comment section, comment your WhatsApp number, and I will message you. And I'll also drop the medium by which you can contact me. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the class. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more of my videos. Subscribe, hit the like button, and also comment. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.